Get ready to soar through the skies with Aira's Pegasus Sleigh. This magical LEGO Elf set lets you build a stunning sleigh pulled by not one, but two majestic Pegasus, Starshine and Rufus. The set features intricate details including opening wings and a chest for supplies. It's perfect for kids who love fantasy adventures and building their own stories. In the set, you'll also get a mystical windmill complete with turning sails and a hidden cozy cave where the elves can relax and search for the wind key to unlock the secrets of the skies. And don't forget, there's even Miku, the baby dragon, to add an extra layer of magic to the adventure. With Aira Whisperwind and Azeri Fire Dancer as your 11 companions, your elven companions, fly high in the sky to help Emily Jones find her way back to the human world. Where you're navigating the clouds or exploring enchanted caves, the LEGO Elves Pegasus Sleigh is perfect for feeling